I need to get some saddle time in on the big bike here before the trip, where Scooter Wolf and I and a mystery guest are going to be doing Tazewell, Virginia in a few weeks, if the weather cooperates. And in front of me, hey butterfly, in front of me I got one of those little micro trucks. Look at that thing, it's almost a half lane wide. It's a cute little truck. There it goes. Has a motorcycle tag on it. That's interesting. What's up, Vulture?
Now turn right. Take the next line onto Bethel Road, then turn left.
It's a Spinal Tap bike. Who could be more black? And the answer is none more black. Even has a black handkerchief or something hanging off the rack. That's interesting. You hear that sound? Cicadas. There you go. There's a good one. Dog on the wall. What's up, pups?